Hi everyone, welcome back. Tech Vibe. TCL Roku TV remote not work. Is your TCL Roku TV remote not responding no matter how many times you press the buttons? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix your TCL Roku TV remote and get back to watching your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first and simplest step is to check your remote's batteries. Weak or dead batteries are often the main cause. Remove the back cover, replace the old batteries with new ones, and make sure they're installed correctly. Then, try the remote again. Many times this alone fixes the issue. Step 2. Repair the remote. If new batteries don't work, your remote may have lost its pairing with the TV. For an IAR remote, point it directly at the TV without any obstructions. For a Roku enhanced remote, press and hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment until the light starts flashing. Your TV will then detect and pair the remote automatically. Step 3. Reset the remote and TV. If pairing fails, try resetting both devices. Unplug your TCL Roku TV from the power source and wait at least 60 seconds. While waiting, remove the batteries from your remote. After 1 minute, plug the TV back in, insert the batteries again, and test the remote. A reset often clears glitches. Step 4. Use the Roku mobile app. If your physical remote is still not working, don't worry. Download the Roku mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. This app turns your smartphone into a remote, giving you full control over your TV. It's a great backup solution while you figure out your remote issue. Step 5. Consider replacing the remote. If none of these steps work, your remote may be faulty. The good news is replacement TCL Roku remotes are affordable and easily available online or in electronics stores. Look for one that's compatible with your TCL Roku TV model. And that's it. With these quick fixes, your TCL Roku TV remote should be working again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who may be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching.